3 weird ways to use maca root. Here are 3 out-of-the-box ways you can use maca. 1. Add maca powder to your favorite conditioner. About 10 grams of powder per 250 milliliters of liquid is optimal. After shampooing, simply add conditioner and leave it on for about 5 minutes before rinsing. Most people report stronger, fuller, and thicker hair as a result. 2. Add maca powder to your favorite lotion or cream. In this case, about 5 grams per 250 ml of liquid seems to work the best. After mixing, apply normally. The result is smoother, healthier skin. 3. Add maca powder or maca chips to your pet's food. Start with 1/8 of a teaspoon per 10 pounds of body weight and increase gradually. Maca can support energy levels and hormone balance in animals as it can in humans. And if you have chickens, try mixing some maca root chips into their regular food. This can help them produce better eggs with stronger shells. If you enjoyed these tips, head over to themacateam.com and check out more interesting maca facts and shop the best selection of maca products anywhere. Thanks and enjoy the day.